1. 1977 Chevrolet Monza Spider. Price, $50,000, located, Ackworth, Iowa. The 1977 Chevrolet Monza Spider is a serious pro-street machine that combines classic Chevrolet styling with impressive high-performance upgrades. Finished in an aggressive black exterior with a matching black interior, this Monza was built to deliver both visual impact and powerful performance. Under the hood sits a strong 383 cubic inch stroker engine topped with a massive 671 supercharger, creating an eye-catching setup that gives the car an unmistakable muscle car presence. Power is transferred through a reliable turbo 350 automatic transmission, while a durable Ford 9-inch rear end helps put the power to the pavement. The combination of the blown small block and lightweight Monza platform creates an exciting driving experience that appeals to hot rod enthusiasts and drag racing fans alike. This vehicle has been carefully assembled as a performance-oriented street and show car, making it suitable for cruise nights, automotive events, and weekend enjoyment. With its classic late 70s appearance and upgraded drivetrain, this Chevrolet Monza Spider offers a unique opportunity to own a distinctive American muscle car that stands out wherever it goes. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $16,000, located, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is a classic American muscle car built with performance in mind. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, this Camaro captures the aggressive styling that made this second-generation model one of the most popular muscle cars ever produced. Equipped with a big block Chevrolet engine and a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this car was designed to deliver serious straight-line performance. Additional upgrades include a narrow Dana rear axle and a ladder bar suspension setup, providing the strength and stability needed for high horsepower applications. Although the vehicle has not been started in several years, the engine reportedly turns over and provides a solid foundation for a future restoration or performance project. The body maintains the iconic appearance that Camaro enthusiasts appreciate, making it an attractive candidate for anyone looking to own a genuine pro-street machine. Whether returned to the track or enjoyed as a weekend cruiser, this Camaro offers tremendous potential and represents an affordable entry into the world of classic American performance cars. 3. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D. Price, $39,000, located, Omaha, Nebraska. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe combines classic styling with modern high-performance upgrades. Finished in white with a red interior, the car retains its unmistakable late 70s appearance while benefiting from a professionally built drivetrain. Under the hood is a powerful 543 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine topped with a supercharger and equipped with Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection for improved drivability and reliability. The automatic transmission works seamlessly with the high-output engine, creating a combination capable of delivering exceptional performance. The original interior color combination adds to the vehicle's appeal and helps preserve its classic character while the upgraded mechanical components transform it into a true pro-street machine. This Camaro has been carefully assembled for enthusiasts who appreciate both show-quality presentation and impressive horsepower. Its aggressive stance, strong engine package, and clean appearance make it equally suitable for car shows, cruise events, or weekend enjoyment. For collectors seeking a unique blend of vintage Chevrolet styling and modern performance technology, this Camaro represents an exciting opportunity. 4. 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $50,000, located, Omro, Wisconsin. The 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a professionally built performance machine that blends classic muscle car styling with modern racing technology. Originally a rust-free Arizona vehicle, this Malibu has undergone a comprehensive build featuring a reinforced factory frame and carefully selected high-performance components throughout. Power comes from a formidable 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine producing over 900 horsepower on the dyno. The engine features premium internal components, CNC cylinder heads, and a high-flow intake system designed for maximum performance. An ATI Pro Glide transmission and upgraded suspension components ensure the power is effectively transferred to the ground. The car retains factory door and quarter glass while incorporating a chromoly roll cage certified for serious performance use. Additional upgrades include lightweight racing components, premium braking systems, and professionally installed plumbing and wiring. Although a few finishing touches remain, the vehicle is very close to completion. This Malibu is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, well-engineered muscle car capable of dominating both the street and strip. 5. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 drag car. Price, $29,500, located, Albert Lea, Minnesota. This 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass drag car is a purpose-built race machine designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a silver interior, the car presents a bold appearance while offering impressive mechanical specifications. Built around a lightweight platform, it features a fiberglass front clip and fiberglass trunk lid to reduce weight and improve performance. At the heart of the build is a freshly assembled 632 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine producing an impressive 793 horsepower on pump gasoline. Power is delivered through a new FTI Turbo 400 transmission and performance torque converter, creating a combination capable of exceptional acceleration. The vehicle also features a full roll cage, upgraded rear gearing, and new performance tires. With a race weight under 3,000 pounds, the car has already demonstrated strong track performance and still has additional potential available with further tuning. For drag racing enthusiasts seeking a powerful and unique race car, this Oldsmobile offers an exciting combination of classic styling and modern performance capability. 6. 1971 AMC Matador Machine clone. Price, $20,000, located, Duluth, Minnesota. The 1971 AMC Matador Machine clone is a rare and distinctive muscle car built for enthusiasts who appreciate performance and individuality. Finished in black inside and out, this rust-free AMC features a professionally built 401 cubic inch V8 engine producing approximately 500 horsepower. For additional excitement, the vehicle is also equipped with a nitrous oxide system capable of delivering significantly more power when needed. Supporting modifications include a Holley performance carburetor, MSD ignition system, performance exhaust headers, and a durable 727 automatic transmission paired with a high stall torque converter. The rear suspension features ladder bars, coilover shocks, and a Ford 9-inch style rear end fitted with performance gearing and upgraded axles. Willwood disc brakes provide strong stopping power while slick tires and lightweight wheels help maximize traction. The vehicle has proven itself capable on the drag strip while remaining a standout at automotive events. Combining rarity, power, and aggressive styling, this AMC offers a unique alternative to more common muscle car platforms. 7. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Price, $35,000, located, Forest Lake, Minnesota. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 is an exceptionally interesting muscle car with a remarkable history. Featuring an original SS platform and retaining its classic appearance, the vehicle showcases a non-matching 396 engine paired with desirable 427 cylinder heads and a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. The combination provides an authentic driving experience that appeals to traditional muscle car enthusiasts. According to the seller, the vehicle has extremely low original mileage and spent decades away from public view. The body remains free from rust and major damage, preserving the integrity of this classic Chevrolet. One of the most distinctive features is its custom paintwork completed by a respected regional painter, creating a unique appearance that sets it apart from ordinary restorations. The largely original interior further enhances the car's authenticity, while careful preservation efforts have helped maintain its vintage character. This Chevelle represents an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a rare and highly original American muscle car with an intriguing story and substantial future appreciation potential. 8. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $70,000, located, East Moline, Illinois. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Street is an extraordinary custom build that combines show-quality craftsmanship with serious drag racing performance. Finished in a stunning pearl purple exterior accented by detailed airbrushed graphics, this Camaro commands attention wherever it appears. Beneath the fiberglass hood is a powerful blown 496 cubic inch Chevrolet big block featuring forged internal components, aluminum performance heads, a solid roller camshaft, and an impressive 871 Wagon supercharger fed by dual carburetors. The engine is backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake and high stall converter. A full tubular chassis, for link rear suspension, Ford 9-inch rear end, and strange drivetrain components provide the durability required for extreme horsepower applications. Large Mickey Thompson tires and performance brakes on all four corners complete the package. Inside, the custom interior reflects the same level of detail found throughout the build. This former drag car retains its original sheet metal while offering outstanding performance, making it a true showpiece for collectors and enthusiasts. 9. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $65,000, located, Lansing, Michigan. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro is a highly developed street and strip machine built to deliver exceptional performance while remaining fully functional for road use. Finished in a beautiful candy green paint over black, the car presents an aggressive appearance that reflects its impressive mechanical capabilities. Power comes from a massive 605 cubic inch engine paired with a Rossler Turbo 400 transmission designed for high-performance applications. The drivetrain includes a Dana rear axle with performance gearing, disc brakes at all four corners, and coilover suspension components for improved handling and traction. The vehicle is also equipped with both plate and fogger nitrous systems, allowing substantial increases in horsepower when desired. A modern front suspension featuring tubular control arms further enhances drivability. With current certification and extensive recent upgrades, this Camaro is capable of impressive elapsed times while still being registered, insured, and driven on public roads. Combining race-ready engineering with street-friendly functionality, this vehicle represents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts seeking serious performance in a classic muscle car package. 10. 1966 Chevrolet Nova Wagon. Price, $60,000, located, Wichita, Kansas. The 1966 Chevrolet Nova Wagon is a unique pro street build that blends classic wagon practicality with eye-catching performance upgrades. Finished in blue with a black interior, this custom vehicle was intentionally built for cruising, parades, and automotive events while maintaining excellent reliability and cooling performance. Under the hood sits a freshly built 355 cubic inch dart-based engine topped with a 671 supercharger for impressive power and visual appeal. A Turbo 400 automatic transmission handles the engine output, while a Dana rear axle, ladder bar suspension, and Mustang 2 rack and pinion steering contribute to dependable operation. Massive rear tires give the wagon a distinctive pro street stance that immediately attracts attention at shows and gatherings. The vehicle is presented as a turnkey cruiser capable of comfortable operation during extended events and slow-moving parade routes. Its combination of classic styling, custom engineering, and supercharged performance makes it a standout among traditional muscle cars and an excellent addition to any enthusiast's collection. 11. 1975 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $15,000, located, St. Paul, Minnesota. This 1975 Chevrolet Vega race car is a lightweight roller platform designed for enthusiasts looking to complete a serious drag racing project. Built with performance in mind, the vehicle features a ladder bar rear suspension, race-oriented chassis setup, and components selected to support substantial horsepower. The car is configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, providing flexibility for a variety of racing combinations. The rear of the vehicle houses a Dana 60-axle assembly equipped with aggressive gearing and upgraded spline axles for strength and durability. Strange shocks and braking components further enhance the vehicle's race-ready design. Additional equipment includes a fuel cell and Mickey Thompson performance tires that have seen limited use. The lightweight construction contributes significantly to the car's potential performance, making it an attractive option for racers seeking a competitive platform. Whether completed as a bracket racer, pro street machine, or dedicated drag car, this Vega offers a strong foundation and numerous quality components already in place. 12. 1965 Mercury Comet. Price, $25,000, located, Hardin, South Dakota. The 1965 Mercury Comet is an exciting high-performance classic that combines vintage styling with modern power. This unique build is powered by a supercharged 2016 Ford 5.0 Cobra jet engine, a premium performance package known for delivering outstanding horsepower and reliability. The engine alone represents a significant investment and has seen very limited use since installation. power is transferred through a recently installed PowerGlide transmission that has also experienced minimal track time. The combination creates an impressive blend of modern technology and classic muscle car character. The lightweight Mercury platform allows the supercharged engine to perform exceptionally well, making the vehicle both entertaining and highly capable. Included with the sale is the option of a fiberglass front clip, providing additional flexibility for future performance modifications or weight reduction. With its distinctive appearance, powerful drivetrain, and carefully selected upgrades, this Mercury Comet stands apart from more common muscle cars and offers enthusiasts a unique opportunity to own something truly special.